Good evening, everybody. I know you're all going to get a shock. Hello to all my followers, those of you who are still there. I still love you and I can't wait to get going again, get working with you again. I've had about a year off actually, maybe a little bit longer than that. And I'm going to, over the process of the next couple of months, take you through some of the events that changed our lives, changed the year. We had basically a year where we spent a lot of the year traveling last year. And it ended on a strange note, which I'll get to. Now, some of you are going to wonder, what's going on? That's not Susie's kitchen. You're right, it's not. But that's because we moved. That's my oven just telling me it's a temperature. But we had to move as well. Not our choice. The little quirky house where all my other videos are done, I absolutely loved. But the landlady, due to, in the UK anyway, there's been a lot of changes in the renting laws, and she wanted it back. She wanted to hand it to her son, who had been evicted by another landlord. She needed it, and we were literally, after living there for 11 years, we were given 8 weeks to move. Oh my God, my world fell apart, literally. But let's go on to what we're doing at this moment in time. We're in our new home. It's not what I would have chose in an ideal world, but it's a very, very nice house. And it's a very nice kitchen. It's really workable. But also we're rebranding the channel. So it's going to stay pretty much like what you guys knew before. I will be cooking occasionally. I'll be taking you with me on lots of other adventures because life's got hard. I don't know about other countries, but in the UK, it's got hard for a lot of my friends. It's got harder for us. This house costs a fortune to run. And the cost of living has gone up unbelievably so. And the cost of fuel, oh my God, the car was costing me about £60 every time I filled it up 3 months ago. I went to the pumps the other day, it was £90. I mean, silly money. So, okay, so I'm going to take you through some of that journey. But tonight, I just wanted to say to you, I'm back. I'm looking forward to sharing the adventures with you, and I'm looking forward to sharing some of the sad times I've gone through and the experiences. We've learnt a lot in the last 18 months. But have a look around the kitchen. And John also is going to be joining me much more. He's not going to just be behind there and doing the editing. He's smiling at me now. But he's gone through things as well this past 18 months. So we're going to share all that with you. But we're going to, it steps forward. I'm going to give you some of the tips I'm picking up about where to shop these days to try and cut the budget down and how to live within, because I'm having to live with a much tighter budget because, as I say, this house costs a fortune. But anyway, we're in the kitchen. Have a look round. So I've got a gas hob. Yay! I wasn't going to move without a gas hob. I've got this amazing oven that actually goes up to 300. Now, I know some of you've got fancy ovens that go up higher than that, but generally speaking, in the UK, the domestic oven goes up to about 250, 260. So for this has got a pizza setting on it, and not bad at all, actually. Although we have had the pizza oven out in our garden. And yes, I'm still on the wine. Cheers, that hasn't stopped. Some things in life you just can't change. Do you like my lights? My landlord had very good taste. These were in when we moved in. Because we're renting this property. We think we'll probably be here for about 2 years. And then we may try, that's another adventure, because we have plans in a couple of years' time. But we'll share all that, like I say, along the way. I've got some dauphinoise potatoes in there and sharing the oven. I've got some belly pork slices that are going into my onion gravy and some nice broccolini, and that's going to be a quick supper tonight because I've been working. I'm working an awful lot at the moment, so I'm not actually doing any recipes tonight. John, just give a walk around the kitchen. Now, those of you who've been with me before, you'll know the kitchen was tiny. This one, I actually, yoo-hoo, I can walk up and down. It's just nice. It's nice to work in. It's got lots of room. I still got it cluttered because that's just me, but it's not as cluttered as it was before. And it's very pleasant to work in. I don't know if you may have guessed by looking out the windows, but we're in a 3-storey house. So I've got a nice little garden room. I'm going to give you a tour of the house later this week. But for tonight, I just wanted to say hello to everybody. Things have changed for us. And when you see Life with the Hunters, that's pretty much what we're going to do over the next 2 years. Share some of our experiences we've had. I'll tell you all about the year we spent where we were pretty much did a lot of travelling. And I'll tell you also about the things that haven't been so good, but you know what? It's chin up, it's cheers, crack on, and let's go further together. Love to you all. See you soon when I've got a nice chicken recipe waiting for you all, and it's a Mary Berry. I did it for a dinner party a couple of weeks ago, and they absolutely loved it, and we loved it. So I've got to share that one with you.
Any questions? Just leave it in the comments.
Thank you, John. You see, he's going to be there. You're going to see much more of us interacting. Yeah, he's quite right. I always forget those things. I used to have Owen sat there saying to me, say like and subscribe. Those are things I forget. I'm just very glad to be back. I have missed, there's a few of my followers who kept in touch, but all of you, I used to love the comments coming in, even the grotty ones, because we all get those. Yes, the kitchen was tiny. Yes, it was ancient. But that's fine. That's what it's about. It's everyone has the right to an opinion. I always think, I never hurt anyone with an opinion. If I don't like something, I don't say much. But it doesn't work that way always. Anyway, I've got to go. I've got to get dinner out. I've got to get this wine down, and I'm back at work in the morning. But look out for me. Coming to you very soon, take you through the house, take you into the garden as such. It's got no grass, but it's nice. We've had friends down there for drinks and dinner.
Got some new trees?
Yes, I have got some new trees. Even though John told me I couldn't have new trees, but that's another story for the next post, okay? Because I'm going to take you, we've just been on an adventure to the local garden centre, which is amazing. We're still in Wiltshire. We're not sadly in Salisbury. And that does upset me, but that's again another story. So I'm going to share all those things with you very, very soon. Love to you all. See you soon. And I hope you all share a glass of wine with me. Cheers. Bye for now.